Hello students! Welcome again to our science lesson. I am Ma'am Girly and today we will be discussing combined gas law. But before we proceed to our topic, let us have a short review. We have here column A, which is the gas law, and column B for formula. There you have Boyle's law, Charles' law, and Gay-Lussac's law. I will give you 10 seconds, and all you have to do is to identify the correct formula for each law. Are you ready, learners? Let's start. Tignan na natin kung tama ang iyong kasagutan. For Boyle's law, we have correct. Initial volume times initial pressure is equal to final volume multiplied by final pressure. For Charles' law, that's right. Initial volume over initial temperature is equal to final volume over final temperature. And definitely for Gay-Lussac's law, initial pressure over initial temperature is tantamount to final pressure over final temperature. If you get all the correct answers, that signifies that you learned from our previous lesson. In this video, we're gonna talk about another gas law. So if you're ready, let's start. Unlike the previous gas law that we discussed, no one is credited for the combined gas law. Remember the word combined. Putting together Boyle's, Charles, as well as Gay-Lussac's law will result to this statement. The pressure and volume of a gas are inversely proportional to each other, but are both directly proportional to the temperature of that gas. This law explains the existing relationship among pressure, volume, and temperature. It can be expressed mathematically as temperature is equal to product of volume and pressure over K. The constant K in the equation is known as the universal gas constant, or volume is tantamount to universal gas constant multiplied by temperature over pressure, or pressure is equal to the product of universal gas constant and temperature over volume, or universal gas constant equals the product of pressure and volume over temperature. In equation, the product of P sub 1 and V sub 1 over T sub 1 is equal to the product of P sub 2 and V sub 2 over T sub 2. And that is the combined gas law. Again, in equation, the product of P sub 1 and V sub 1 over T sub 1 is equal to the product of T sub 2 and V sub 2 over T sub 2, where P sub 1 refers to initial pressure, V sub 1 is the initial volume, T sub 1 is the initial temperature, P sub 2 is equal to final pressure, V sub 2 is the final volume, and T sub 2 refers to the final temperature. Alam ko, learners, na mas magiging madali sa inyo ang problem solving na ito dahil mayroon na kayong previous idea regarding the other gas law. Let us have sample problem. A 35 ml bubble is released from a diverse air tank at a pressure of 4.5 atmosphere and a temperature of 288.15 Kelvin. What is the final volume when the pressure is at 1.5 atmosphere and 293.15 Kelvin? Same lang din ang procedure na ginawa natin doon sa previous gas law na napag-aralan natin. We will just identify all the given. Our initial volume is 35 ml. initial pressure is 4.5 atmosphere. And for initial temperature, we have 288.15 Kelvin. The unknown here is the final volume. Nakikita natin sa word problem na may hint, kaya mas madali nating maisosolve. Our final pressure is 1.5 atmosphere and final temperature is 293.15 Kelvin. Next, write the formula. Since ang unknown natin ay ang final volume, we have to derive the formula. We have to cross-multiply the equation. Pagsamahin natin si initial pressure at initial volume as well as si final temperature. And it is equal to the product of final pressure and volume as well as the initial temperature. Ang goal natin dito again is to eliminate final pressure and initial temperature. There you have the fraction bar. Bring down those properties. Cancel final pressure and initial temperature, and there you have our formula. Final volume is equal to the product of initial pressure, initial volume, and final temperature over the product of final pressure and initial temperature. And now let us substitute all the value. We will just multiply all the value in the numerator and denominator. Cancel atmosphere as well as the Kelvin. Ang natira nating unit ay ml since ito naman ang ating desired unit. Final volume is equal to 46,171.125 ml over product ng final pressure and initial temperature 432.225. We will just divide. Then the answer is 106.82 ml. Kayang-kaya, di ba learners? Maaari niyong subukan ang ating next sample problem. Pwede niyong i-post ang video na ito pagkatapos kong mabasa ang word problem at i-play para ma-check mo kung tama ba ang iyong sagot. The oxygen tank manufacturer used to produce 6-liter oxygen tanks at 2,100 psi and 27 degrees Celsius. Statistics suggest that the 4-liter oxygen tank at 1,600 psi more marketable. Compute for the final temperature. Again, we will identify the given. Kung mapapansin ninyo, ang ating initial temperature ay 27 degrees Celsius. Kailangan natin siyang i-convert into Kelvin. We will just add 273.15 to make it Kelvin. Ang atin ng initial temperature ay 300.15 Kelvin. Sa problem na ito, ang ating unknown ay final temperature. After ma-identify lahat ng given, let us have the formula, derive the formula. Same lang din sa ginawa natin kanina. We will cross-multiply. Since ang hinahanap natin ay final temperature, we want to eliminate the initial pressure and volume. We'll just bring down initial pressure and initial volume. Cancel. Our formula now is final temperature is equal to the product of final pressure and final volume and initial temperature over the product of initial pressure and initial volume. For our solution, let us substitute all the value. 1,600 pounds per square inch multiplied by 4 liters times 300.15 Kelvin over 1,100 psi multiplied by 6 liters. Cancel psi as well as the liters. Ang natira natin is Kelvin. Final temperature is equal to 1,920,960 Kelvin over 12,600. Divide lang natin. Then the answer is 152.46 Kelvin. Sana ay nakuha ninyo ang tamang sagot. Application of combined gas law. weather balloon ay umaangat mula sa lupa, ito ay magre-respond sa tatlong variable sa paligid nito. Ang volume, pressure, at temperature. Sana ay naunawaan ninyo ang ating lesson. Enjoy learning because science matters. Good day!